In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall or remove apps from your Roku TV. First thing first, go to your Roku homepage here where you see the list of apps. Go to the app you want to remove, select it by highlighting it with the white there, and you're going to go to your remote and find the asterisk key right here. I'm showing you in the video. And when you do that, it's going to bring up the options for that app. Go down to where you see Remove App, highlight it there, click OK. And then once again, confirm by clicking Remove once more. Again, what you want to do is you want to locate the app that you want to remove, and you'll see the selected app by the white border or highlight around the app, and then go to the remote and click or tap the asterisk key there, and then go down to Remove App, and then confirm that once you've clicked OK. So you're going to click OK twice, and that will completely remove the app from your Roku TV. If you want to get it back, you'll go back to the App Store there, reinstall it, and you're good to go. So that's how you do it. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.